A silent killer, or rather carbon monoxide, is an invisible, tasteless, and odorless gas that can be deadly. Last year, Bill 77, the Hawkins-Ginac Act, was passed. Mandy Matthews reports.
Yes, the bill was given a 6-month grace period in order for people to buy their carbon monoxide alarms before fines were enforced. Now, come Wednesday, if you fail to comply with the law, you could be fined up to $235. A gas-burning stove, furnaces, hot water heaters. Gas-burning appliances have become the newest threat inside our homes.
I mean, I'm not like super concerned. It's a new building. Everything's really new here, so I'm not so much concerned about having any like carbon monoxide poisoning, I guess, in that way. I would like it in the house. I mean, in general, it's just not something that I've really thought about getting in the first place, so never crossed my mind before, I guess.
Since Ross lives in a residential building with more than 6 suites, the landlord has until October of this year to bring the building up to code.
Because it's the same kind of thing as with the fire detector, right? They have to provide the batteries and the whole thing for that, so they have to provide that as well. But nothing, it was never mentioned to me anyway, so.
We breathe carbon monoxide all the time, but the danger is when the gas builds up or comes in full force. CO is produced when fuels don't have enough oxygen to burn off. Then they become stagnant in the air.
We button up our houses every year, during winter time, and we don't leave those houses. So everything stays within, right? And in newer homes, the way we build new homes nowadays, we're almost living in a plastic bubble.
The new fire code is asking homeowners with fuel appliances to purchase a carbon monoxide detector. This may save your life, but Tecumseh Fire Prevention Officer Bob Hamilton wants you to know it's all about prevention first.
But also what we want to do is get to the root cause. And the root cause is basically your appliances. And your appliances need to be checked every year.
Tecumseh Fire has responded to 16 calls this year, whereas Windsor responds almost daily. Both departments will be heading out twice a week for 8 weeks for home inspections.
So we want to give people the opportunity to purchase them, give them some time. We want to educate people of the law. And that's the reason for the grace period. It's educational.
Alarms regularly range from $30 to $60 and various in warranties. Hamilton tells me that the 5-year model is only lasting about 4 years, and they are currently tracking the 10-year model. Also, in newer homes, they are installing the combination unit of smoke and CO alarm. Hector?